Math doesn't have to be intimidating. It can be empowering, practical, and even fun. When adult learners see how math connects to their daily lives, they're more motivated to participate and take risks. By creating a supportive, hands-on environment, we can turn math anxiety into math confidence. Ready to explore how? Let's jump right in. High-impact teaching: how to teach an engaging math lessons to adult students. 1. Start with a real-world problem. Begin your lesson with a context that is familiar and relatable to your students. This could be a question about personal finance, a home improvement project, or a work-related scenario. This approach immediately shows the utility of the math concept you're about to teach. 2. Activate prior knowledge. Before you introduce a new concept, ask students what they already know or think about the topic. This connects new information to existing knowledge, making it easier to learn. A quick warm-up activity or a brief class discussion works well. 3. Break down complex concepts. For difficult topics, break the lesson into smaller, manageable chunks. Teach one step at a time, allowing students to practice and master each part before moving on to the next. This prevents overwhelm and builds a sense of accomplishment. 4. Use hands-on activities. Move beyond just worksheets and lecture. Incorporate manipulatives, technology, or group activities that allow students to physically interact with the math. This kinesthetic approach reinforces understanding and makes the learning process more dynamic. 5. Encourage multiple solution paths. Show students that there is often more than one way to solve a problem. Allow them to share their strategies and discuss the pros and cons of each method. This fosters critical thinking and validates diverse learning styles. 6. Integrate technology thoughtfully. Use online tools, apps, or calculators to enhance the lesson, not replace your teaching. Technology can visualize abstract concepts, provide instant feedback, and offer opportunities for self-paced practice. Ensure the tools you choose support your learning objectives. 7. Conclude with a clear takeaway. End the lesson with a summary of the key concepts and a quick check for understanding. Ask students to explain what they learned or how they might use the skill in the future. This solidifies their new knowledge and helps them feel prepared for future lessons. Following these strategies will help you design lessons that are relevant, accessible, and interactive. A successful math class for adults focuses on building confidence, connecting to real life, and providing a variety of ways to learn and practice. Please share this video in your network. And don't forget to browse our website for more teaching strategies and textbooks. The CBL team, your partner in student engagement, retention, and learning.